everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Yes, the title says, please can you help? And I'll explain what this video is about. Now, obviously, we all know what's going on in the world, and you know, there's lots and lots of people, essential workers, NHS staff, hospital staff all around the world, you know, basically putting their life on the line for us. And I've been sat here, you know, in the last week thinking, what can I do to help? And to be honest with you, physically, I can't do anything. I can't volunteer. I've been, you know, trying to help to keep you all busy with projects, etc. But I wanted to do more. So I've come up with an idea. And this is called Crafting for the Heroes, and I really could do with your help. Now, there are lots of ways that you could help. Now, the other thing as well, I just have to explain, is that what I'm trying to do is to make gifts for NHS workers, carers, essential workers, police, whoever I can, as you know, as much as I can. Now, I understand if you're not in the UK, I understand you're not wanting to take part because you've, you know, got, you know, essential workers in your own country. But even so, even if you can't help from abroad, or you know, you want to help other people where you are, there is a way that you could help me if it were possible, and I'll tell you all about that in a minute. I hope I'm making sense. So what I plan on doing is to get together as many handmade gifts as I can, because we're going to have a lot of time on our hands to make gifts, and so that I can, you know, try and get as many gifts together as possible. And then I'm going to contact my local radio station. I was on there last year, and try and give these out, you know, around our community. Now, there's only little me doing it, so I'm afraid I don't know how many of these gifts I can make. You know, I'm going to make as many as I can. Now, I've got a journal here in front of me, and these are the journals that I am making. Now, I understand that, pack it in, Charles, understand that you might not all be able to make journals, you know, so there are other things that, you know, you can make by hand. Now, I understand that our postal service is still working, but you might not want to go to the post office right now, or you maybe can't get to the post office right now, but there will be a time where the post office, you know, you'll be able to get to the post office. So even if, sorry about that, even if you can't get to the post office right now with anything that you make, if you could pledge to help and, you know, send them at a later date, that would be fantastic. Now, I've got some ideas of some things. So not all of you are journal makers, so I'm going to try and put a thank you card with every one of the gifts. So handmade cards would be fantastic. So if you're a card maker and you can make some thank you cards to go with these gifts, that would be fantastic. Also, ephemera for the journals. So if you're not up to making journals, ephemera tags to go in them, because these do have pockets which I don't have anything in at the moment. So tags, tuck spots, anything that could go in a junk journal. So at the moment we've got handmade cards and tags, ephemera, etc. Then I have these little journals, which really are quite easy to make. Stop it. But you might not have the materials at home to make them. But I will put a video up to show how to make these in case you want to. Now, I have been sitting, and at the moment I have made 5. And these have not been decorated on the front. I've just got to do the fronts of them and put the ribbons on, and then put some ephemera in them. So at the moment I have made 5 gifts, and on the front it says, I am thankful for you. I am very grateful to the people that are on the front line risking their lives. And I know as of yesterday, I think it was 19 nurses, doctors lost their lives helping us. I want to give back to the community. Now, there is another way that you can help. And now, if you're in the States or you're in another country and you don't want to take part as far as sending a gift, if you could share this video, that would really, really, really help me. So if you have a YouTube channel, please can you mention this video and post the link, because you might be in America, but you may have a lot of UK subscribers who might want to help with this project, or this campaign, I should say. So if you have a YouTube channel, that would be fantastic if you could post a link to this video. If you have, if you know people that have YouTube channels, that you could tell them about this. If you have on a craft group, or you know of a craft group, or you have crafty friends, please can you share this video. If you have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, please, 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 can you share this video? I am at the moment setting myself a goal of 50 gifts. Once I hopefully reach those 50 gifts, I'll then increase it to 100 and so on. So please, let's see how many gifts we can make for these very, very special people in the world. And I want them to have something to, keep, to just say thank you. Once this crazy world goes back to normal, I'd love them to have a little gift to show them how much we appreciate them. So I hope this has made sense. If you'd like to pledge to make some gifts, now, you may crochet, knit, make jewelry. You might have other gifts that you could send in that we could give out. It doesn't just have to be journals, so any handmade gift would be really appreciated if you could send them. If you have an Etsy shop and you have something in there that you think you could send, that we could give as a gift, let's see how many gifts we can do. Now, every week I will be counting up and adding how many, we'll keep a total of how many gifts that we get, and let's see how well we can do with this. So if you'd like to take part, there is a new email, which is craftingfortheheroes@gmail.com, which I have set up especially for this. So if you would like to pledge to make something for this campaign, please email me. Let me know that you would like to take part. If you have any questions about it, let me know. If you don't want to go to the post office right now, but you can save things up that you make and then send them at a later date. This is going to be an ongoing campaign until we're through this, which could be months. So we do have a lot of time on our hands. At the moment, I have made 5 journals for gifts for these very special people. Please, 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 can you help me to do much, much more? I'd love to hear from you. And like I said, even if you're not in the UK, but you would like to help my campaign, please could you just spread this video and let everybody know about it. Like I said, at the moment, I have made 5 journals that just need to be decorated. I am setting myself a goal of 50. Now, I might, have help from you guys to get to that 50. But let's see if we, with different gifts, can make that many, 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 many more gifts for these very special people. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please, please, please share this video. Please tell everyone you know about this. Let's craft for our heroes. Let's give these gifts out to our heroes. I mean, yes, this will be for the UK, obviously, and my local area, but these people are helping to save lives wherever we are. So please, 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 can you help me? Thanks for watching, and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.